My beautiful people, I am the tech doctor, and today I want to show you how to install a free point of sale system, for small businesses. So this one I have personally decided to give out this point of sale free of charge to all small businesses. If you are running just a single shop, let me show you what you can do, and you digitize your records. So let me show you. So let me cut this one. So let me come direct here. So I will give you the link to download 2 zip files. Now one will be titled MPOS Free. That is the one which will be this one, and the other one will be MPOS Free Dependencies. Because I have already downloaded these folders, these zip files, and unzipped them, you just right click here and extract. So let me just delete this one, and then I show you how to install the point of sale. So you just come here and you read this one, how to install txt. Just expand it like that. So you read this is the guide. So download the zip you have been given. I have given you download and install JRI and JDK, download and install XAMPP and WAMP. That is what I want to show you. So JDK or JRI, you will come here. It is this folder, this folder MPOS Free Dependencies. So it will be in the second link. I will give you 2 links. So the first time you have to come to this folder MPOS Free Dependencies and install these things in this order. Number 1, install this one. So you install the JDK. JDK has already JRI. So this is the JDK which has been developed with the program. That's why it will actually run so easily. So that's why I've given you that JDK. So after this one, you just click and follow the instructions. It's very simple to install. After that, install this one. You see this one? Just double click this one and run it as a service. And then you select anonymous at the end. At the end there is somewhere it asks you anonymous, standard configuration. You just select you want to install it as a service. It will be when the computer turns on, the service turns on. So you will not be needed to turn on WAMP server every time. So this WAMP server, we are going to use it only once when we are installing. So this one you also install after you have installed all these ones. So this one and this one, you will not see them on the screen. This one you will see it on the screen, or you can look for it after you have installed. So mine is here. I have already turned it on. When you double click, it will come here. It will come at the system tray. It is here. You see, it is here. So you just click it and see its menu. This one, WAMP server. So after, let me show you. So let's go back here. So I've shown you how to install those ones. Now let's come here, upload the database. So extract the MPOS Free Zip good inside the folder shop.sql. So you come to this folder and you'll find this one. So what you do, you just come to WAMP server, the one you have installed, then come here to WAMP server, then click PHP my admin. Then after that, just wait till it is going to open. Just wait. It's going to open. Just be patient. I'm going to show you everything. So you have to create a database named as shop. It must be named as shop. So you have to create it as shop. If you create your other things, it must be written shop. Okay, just click that one and click create. After you click create, just come here at the top here, you will see import. Come here, click import. Just follow this guide here. Import the provided shop.sql file. So just come here and import it. import it. Just choose the file where it is. Is this one. Just locate your folder, come to where the folder is, just open the file like that and click go. Then just wait. It has been installed. Now just you can minimize this one. Now let's go back to our guide. Install MPOS FREE.EXE. So within the extracted folder you'll find the installation executable MPOS FREE.installer. So you just come to your folders, this one, this folder is this one. So use this one, you just double click and wait for it to run. Then just follow the steps. You can read, follow the steps. Then if just install, when you install, it will automatically come to just next exit. So when you install, it will automatically come to this one, to the desktop. So just let's follow our guide again. Launch the MPOS Free. Now we have installed, launch the MPOS Free, and the passwords you have been given here, admin, user. So you just come here like this, launch this one like this. Just double click and wait. So just wait. See, it's loading. If you have any questions, you can contact that one. Will answer you. So here you can register here. If you want the verification code, you can reach out to me. I'll give it out to you for free of charge. Then just after you just come there, select username, select password is admin, user type admin. If it is user, select user. Workshop, select the work you want, the shops, but the user will be seeing all the shops. So just click login. Let me show you. Now we are in the system. This is the software I'm giving for free. Now when you are here, if you want to understand these buttons, at the left is where you have the buttons. So you just click this one written question. You can read there. You will have some overview of how it works, all these buttons, what they are used for. But I want to take you for a quick tour. So this software, the first button is admin. The second button is where you add items, new items. The third button is where you can update quantity, you can add daily expenses, you can delete an item, you can add a new shop. So let me show you this one is I've shown you this one. You can generate a barcode. I'll show you how to generate that. So this one, it is very easy to sell. There you can all search items. If you want to search items, you can search manually. For example, if you want PVC, just write PVC and search like that, it will give you. So if you have a barcode scanner, it is very easy. It is here. You just write the number. For example, if it is, then if you are using a barcode scanner, it will remove items automatically from the shelf to the cart, here from here to here. So if, for example, if I want 004 like that, and I press enter, it removes. Even the quantity it should deduct. Let us see. See, it is deducting. Yes. So let us click here to update stock. Then let me add items. Show you another way of adding items. You just click here like this, click it like that, add quantity if it's one, write that, click like that, add one if like that. Let me add quantity here and show you like that. Let me add them there so that I can show you. So like that. So let us add those items and say that is the customer wants to buy those items. Now we click here, get total. Click get total like that. We get the total. Now here we can generate the receipt. You can click generate receipt. Then just wait. Be a little bit patient. It is going to generate. So this is the receipt. So you see the way it is. You see here it is. It's saying it's page one. It is just one page. So even if it is 2 pages, it will show you here. So you can actually say print the receipt here automatically. Then you can use your stamp. You can stamp the receipt around this area. You can stamp it. to show your biashara, your business. Even you can create a stamp with your phone number and you put it. Stamps are better. They don't fade away. So that is how you generate a receipt. So let me come here and show you. So after you have done that, you just can click finish this cell. So this is the reorder level. It will show you which ones are less in quantity. So if you want to generate a PDF for these items, you just click PDF like this. Then you just wait, come here to desktop, for example, choose that one there. Then here you have to give the name like that. Says test1. Let's say test1 and save. Let us see. Okay. So if we come here, let's see if it is there. You see it is here. So let us see if it is okay. It's showing you. Let's wait and see. So you see is giving you the stock, and here you can if you want to order others, you can list it there. So let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. What is that? Let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. So I have shown you how to print the receipt. I've shown you what? I've shown you what else? How to finish the sale. So sometimes if you click something accidentally like this, let me show you. If you click something accidentally like this, put something accidentally there, you can return it to stock. You can activate that one and it will return. So you have sold these items. How do you see them? Just come here and it's the admin view sales. You will see all of them there. So you can also return an item to stock. If you want to know the password here, you can tell me. If you want to return items to stock, I'll show you how you return that item to stock. It is very simple. Just email me, I'll show you. Here, expenses. So if here you can just search. Here you can also generate a report the way I've shown you. Here you can see the expenses. Here you can change passwords. You can change the password for admin, for user. Here it shows you the total amount of stock using buying price. Here it shows you analytics. So this one groups the items based on the days, shops, and it shows you the analytics. You can just create a report there. So that one, that is it. If you want to create a barcode, it's very simple. You just come here like this. So you just click there like that and they say this is, if for example item code is that one, just come here and say where do you want to save the barcode. You just can come here, so you can get the path here like this and come here like this, like that. Then say slash SC101 like that. Then save. It's this one. See how it looks like. It is that one. Just very simple. So that is how you can use that software. I'm going to give it for free of charge. That is it. Let me see you another time. Bye.